Hey, good morning. So COVID cases are still rising in South Carolina, and we don't feel comfortable taking a flight yet, so that means the only thing left to do is a
summer road trip.
That's right, Summer Road Trip 2020. Here we go.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
So our first stop is going to be Virginia, at the base of the Blue Ridge Mountains, just outside of Charlottesville. And then after that, we're heading to North Carolina to visit that crazy and unpredictable Chef Tony. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's start the summer road trip. Our goal was to find COVID-friendly activities. All right, today we're at the base of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Take a look at this view. We started our trip with a 5-mile hike. What better way to avoid others and get some fresh air? Since it was 90 degrees out, our group quickly became thirsty. We headed over to a local brewery that was clearly participating in social distancing. Look how far apart the tables are.
For the shore and the girl he adores, who will melt all his troubles away. All the knives and the rods do portion and stout.
All right, here's a COVID-friendly activity. Let's pick some peaches. These masks are hot, so took mine off, but we're in the area of the orchard with nobody else is around but us. So he's finding a bunch of nice, you got some? Wow, look at that one. We went away with 2 bags of peaches and ate peaches for over a week. They were delicious. So if peaches aren't your thing, they also have blueberry picking this time of year, and in the fall they have what, apple? Yeah. Apple picking and strawberry? So different seasons, apple and strawberry too. We're gonna check out the blueberry field just to see what it's all about. All right, so we're here for dinner at, what is it, Restorations? Restorations outside of Charlottesville. Where are we? Crozet. And it's very interesting. They're in phase 2 of opening, and they're requiring people to wear masks when they enter the restaurant, and they're also really particular about social distancing. As a matter of fact, we're waiting out front here because our outside patio table, there isn't anything that's available right now that would not be close to other people. All the servers are wearing masks. We do not see this in South Carolina. Maybe that's why the cases are spiking in South Carolina. And why each state is so different should be a national guideline for this. It's kind of ridiculous, but here they're playing it safe. We have our masks. We're sitting outside waiting for a table. You can see they're keeping people away from us. So I'm glad that Virginia's doing it the right way. All right. Social distancing done right. South Carolina, are you listening? We enjoyed a great meal as the sun set behind the Blue Ridge Mountains. Hey, good morning. So today we're at the King Family Vineyards in Virginia and polo fields, and there was supposed to be a polo match today, but they said it got canceled because of a snafu with the government. That's what she says. We came in, but we're still going to walk around, maybe go to the tasting room and see what's what. There's also some storms coming in, so we're going to do it now before it starts to rain. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Sue's got her mask on. She's ready. This vineyard has horse stables and they have polo matches on Sundays that are open to the public. Time for a tasting. So it looks like they have an outdoor tasting area. Take a look. As you can see, the tables were sufficiently spread apart, and there was a great view of the Blue Ridge Mountains. So Sue, which one do you like best?
That one.
Which was that one?
Cabernet Franc,
Cabernet
2018.
Franc? Oh, okay, that was pretty
a
good.
good year.
I liked 7, which is actually a port.
That's a 2017.
Yeah, it's pretty good. After the tasting, we took a leisurely walk around the farm. I'd never seen a wind-driven water pump before. Here we had another tasting, which was fantastic, and enjoyed a picnic basket. It was a great few days in the outdoors. Until next time, safe travels.